Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. A quick review for you today of this 25,000 milliamp hour power bank. I have reviewed other power banks on my channel. I will leave links in the description box below. I picked this up from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box below for this as well. If you enjoy different product review videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you won't miss an upload from me. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. This is a beast of a power bank. I've been charging my Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge and my iPhone SE together, and it's given me 6 days of charge from both. I've been using them together. It takes 8 hours to charge, but of course you'd expect that because it's got a big battery and it does last a long time. I've had 2 full charges on the iPad Mini 4 I have. So as you can see there, the design, it's designed to look like leather, but it's not leather actually, it's plastic. It's even got some stitches around there. You can see it's got a button there, power button, so you push that and it will give you a reading of what percentage you've got left. And when you put it on charge, because here you can see it's got ports, it's got 2 ports. The port next to the button, that's a fast charging port, that's a 2.1 amp port. That's your micro USB charging port to actually charge the power bank. So when you have it plugged in there, it'll say in, and when you plug it on these two, it'll say out. That is a 1 amp charger. That's your slow chargers. Nothing on this side, nothing at the bottom. At the back there, plastic theme, and it's got some writing on there. You won't be able to pick that up on camera because I'm looking at it now and I'm having difficulty looking at that, so you won't be able to pick that up. Let's try it now with my Samsung phone. Put the cable in. Apologies if you are getting any reflections because I am recording outside, or if there's any noise. There you can see it's telling me 2.1 amp out, and it's also giving me the percentage of the power bank, what it's got remaining. That was a quick review today of this power bank. I absolutely love this power bank. I've reviewed loads of different power banks on my channel. I will leave links to them in the description box below, but none have been this good. Honestly, it's an absolute beast. You could take it around with you. I know it is heavy, but if you carry it in your bag or something, like if you're going to uni or college or whatever, good accessory to have. I'll definitely be using this a lot. My friends, as always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.